Here it is, boys.
Heavy rainfall would accompany any storms that develop, which could result in localized flooding.
Alright, come on. Air it. Oh, this is gonna be a double header. The heck?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Lee County in north-central Illinois until 6:15 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coletta, or near Sterling, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Nelson, Woodland Shores, and Wusong. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's right.
This is North Weather Radio, KZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.
Guess not.
This station will broadcast